Hi everyone. Today in this video I want to share with you my 30 house plants that are very easy to care for, or as some people call it, low maintenance. So let's take a look at them one by one. Now the first plant I want to show you is this. All types of Sansevieria. This is at the top of the list. This is very forgiving plant that can be placed in any location in the house. Even if you forget to water this plant, it will still survive for a long time. Any types of cactus. As you know, these plants do not require frequent watering. You can just sit there for a long time, and in fact, you don't even need to repot these plants. Third is jade plant. This is like cactus too. Needs little watering and it's a slow grower and does not require repotting for a long time. Fourth is air plants. This is also another plant that you don't have to worry about potting or watering. It will survive in humidity in the air. If your house is too dry, just need to soak the plant in water once a while and put it where you want to put it. Like now I'm just hanging below this picture here. So any types of air plants are very easy to care and maintain. And also Dischidia olantha. This is the non-variegated one, and this is the variegated one, Dischidia olantha variegated. This grows well in bark or coconut husk, and you just need to water it when it's slightly dry, okay, and can place it in a medium bright area. Sixth in the list is ZZ plant. So this is also easy to care. Only need to water the topsoil when it's really dry. You can place this plant anywhere in your home. It's a good low light plant. Seventh in the list are pothos. All types of pothos goes in this list. This is really easy to care for and maintain too. Just need to water it once the soil is slightly dry. And you have hardleaf philodendron here. So this is the number 8. These two a beautiful plant like pothos, very easy to care and maintain. Number 9 is syngonium. All types of syngonium plants are very easy to care also. This one you can place it anywhere at home with sufficient brightness. And number 10 is aloe vera. Just place this beside window where it can get sufficient sunlight and water it occasionally. And number 11 is Monstera cheese plant. These two very easy to care for, right? As long as you don't forget to water the soil or keep the soil moist and place it in warm bright area away from direct sunlight. And this one is called parlor palm. This too is a very easy to grow plant. Okay, this is a slow grower. It grows slowly and thrives in low light. Very easy to care. See how beautiful this plant. Next is all type of Hoya. Okay, like example this one, Hoya Kerry or sweetheart plant. Okay, this plant, the advantage of this plant is that it is not bothered about humidity, so you can keep it at almost any humidity level. Just ensure not to put it under direct sunlight, and you can also let the soil dry out slightly before watering these plants. Number 14 in the list is Philea glauca. This plant can be placed in shaded area or direct sun by the window, and you only need to water the plant 2 times a week. And on number 15 is rubber plant. This is my favorite. Now if you want to grow 3 indoor, okay, this will be a great choice. This is also known as Ficus elastica. Now you can control the plant's growth by controlling the root, okay, growing in a strong cement pot, and leave it at a place it can get indirect sunlight, with watering only when the topsoil dries. And on number 16 is lucky bamboo. This is very easy to care as well. It grows well in indirect sunlight areas. You can either grow it in soil or water. If in water, just change the water regularly. But growing this plant in soil will be much better or much ideal, as you don't need to change the water. Just water this plant 2 to 3 times a week. And this is on number 17, spider plant. Now this is a very adaptable plant that can grow in wide range of conditions. Grow this plant in well draining soil in bright indirect sunlight. Just water the plant when the topsoil dries. And this is Ficus benjamina variegata. See how beautiful the variegation of this plant. Now this plant can be grown both outdoor and indoor. Okay, this is a great plant for indoor. I've tested it. This does well indoor as well. Okay, now this plant, just like any other plant, just need to water it once the soil is dry. And this one on number 19, Peperomia hope. Very easy to maintain as well. This plant tolerates wide variety of lighting conditions. Water this plant scarcely. Let the soil dry out first before watering. Okay, and it will just do well. See this plant? Peperomia hope. And on number 20 is English ivy. This is a very versatile house plant that can be grown in many different situations. Can be easily grown in well draining soil with watering only once or twice a week. And on number 21 is Chinese evergreen or aglaonimas, all types of aglaonimas. Okay, these plants are best indoor plants for beginners. Just need to water the plant once a week and keep it in bright indirect sunlight anywhere indoor. On number 22 is string of banana. These two are very easy to take care. Just keep this plant in well draining but slightly moist soil. Water only to keep the soil slightly moist. You can grow this plant indoor in any bright areas. And on number 23 is Japanese bamboo, or also known as Dracaena circulosa. Now this plant needs moderate watering. You can let the soil dry out slightly before watering again, and you can also place it beside window where it can get few hours of sunlight. And on number 24 is Zebra Haw Othia. This is a small plant and very easy to care for. Give this plant plenty of bright light and water it once a week. You do not need to repot this plant for a very long time. And on number 25 is peace lily. Grow this plant in a well draining soil. Let the soil slightly dry before watering. This is a beautiful plant that blooms indoor. This one has just finished blooming. On number 26 is Burle Marx philodendron. Now, this is also a great indoor plant. Grow this plant in well-draining but slightly moist soil, and you just need to water this plant to keep the soil slightly moist. Okay, this plant grows well in bright areas. The next one is Adianthum peruvianum, or also known as maidenhair fern. See how beautiful this plant. Just like any other fern, this requires a high level of humidity and moisture. Now, as long as you can provide this condition, you can grow this plant well indoor. Keep the soil moist but not wet, and also keep it in a bright light area, away from direct sunlight. The next one on the list is Monstera deliciosa. Now, this is a very popular indoor plant. Keep this plant in bright indirect light. Water it when the topsoil is dry. This plant also loves high level of humidity. Very beautiful plant. And this one is called Alocasia. Let me try to pronounce the full. Alocasia scuculata. I hope I got that correctly. Anyway, this is also a beautiful indoor plant. Just needs shade and moist environment as well as moist soil. Now, if you can provide this condition, you can grow this plant indoor easily, as I am. See how beautiful this plant. And last in this list is this plant. This is known as Homalomina. Just like Alocasia scuculata, these two is a very easy to care plant. Okay, just place this plant under shaded area, provide it moist environment and moist soil. If you can provide this condition, you can grow this plant well indoor. So, why are these plants low maintenance or easy to care for? Because they need no pruning or little pruning. They are not invasive, meaning their growth can be controlled, like photos for example. If they grow too long, you can simply cut them away. Most of them do not require staking or repotting for a long time. They are easy to water as well as fertilizing. Even though these plants are easy to take care, if you do not provide the right condition, the plants can become hard to take care. You also need to keep the area you are growing the plants clean, so it won't be infested with pests. Learn about the plants you are buying and provide the condition it needs. If you do this, your plants will thrive. There you have it everyone, some of my low maintenance or easy to care plants. If you love plants but have little time to take care of plants, any one of the plants I shared in this video will be a great choice, as they need very little maintenance. So that's all for now everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.